All right, so for today, Tuesday, April 21st, we are doing chapter 12, lesson 2, and this is describe two-dimensional shapes. So we are going to use two-dimensional shapes and sort them into two groups, draw to show your work. So you should have your container of shapes. However, there are not any circles in there. So we do know that circles, squares, triangles, rectangles, that's pretty much what the other page focused on, but there's also hexagons, there's octagons, there's trapezoids, but the main four we want to be able to separate: circle, triangle, square, and rectangle. We want to be able to separate them into these categories. So curved shapes. So curved means that it does not have any straight lines and come to a point. So there's no line, like straight lines or vertices. These are all going to be curved shapes. Okay. So that would definitely be a circle. And I could even put an oval if I wanted to in there because it doesn't have any straight lines. So if you want to label them, you can. Okay. And then any that have straight lines. So a straight line would be a triangle, a square, a rectangle, we could even go ahead and put our hexagon. You could put that's a trapezoid. You could put, I'm really terrible at octagons. Octagon has 8 sides, but all of those have straight, flat sides to them. So you could sort all of those in there. So some shapes have straight sides and vertices, which are the corners. So trapezoids, which we drew over there, has straight lines, which are the sides, and it has the points or corners where the two sides meet, and that's called a vertex or a vertice when there's more than one. So vertex if you're talking about one, vertices when you're talking about more than one. So the trapezoid has 4 vertices. The hexagon has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 vertices. The trapezoid has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. The hexagon has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. So on the Share and Show, it wants us to use two-dimensional shapes to draw and write to complete the chart. So I'm going to let you all work on this. They've started the hexagon for you. The trapezoid example is up here, and you should know a rectangle, square, and triangle. So draw the shape, tell me how many sides and how many vertices. Then on the back, you're doing the same thing. You're going to use blue to trace each straight side, red to circle each corner or vertex, and then write the number of sides and vertices on each of these shapes. Bonus points if you write the name of the shape.